Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning about equivalent fraction, the learning objective. So today you're supposed to understand what fractions are, identify different types of fraction, perform operations on fraction, apply fraction in everyday. Let us start by knowing what fractions are. So a fraction show a part of a whole. For example, if you eat one slice out of 8, you have eaten 1/8 of the pizza. The top number, that is the numerator, show part taken, while the bottom number, which is the denominator, show the total equal parts. So the type of fraction. Number one, we have proper fraction, where the numerator is less than the denominator. The numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3/5. 3 is less than 5. The other type of fraction we have improper fraction, where the numerator is greater than denominator. In G 7/4, so 7 is greater than 4. The other type is mixed number, where the whole plus fraction, we have a whole number and a fraction. So that is a mixed fraction. So for example, 1/2. So the whole number is 1 and the fraction is 1/2, which is a half. The other one is the equivalent fraction. So these are the same value in different form. For example, half can be equal to 2/4. So 2/4 can give you a half when you divide 2/4 by 2. You divide by 2, you get 1, and by 2 you get 2. So that is why 2/4 and 4/8 are equivalent to a half, because you can simplify and get the half. Then the other thing is how to simplify fraction. So to simplify fraction, we define both numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, we have 8/12. So 8/12 has 4 as the common number. They can be divided by 4. So you define the numerator and the denominator by 4. So 8 divided by 4 you get 2, and 12 divided by 4 you get 3. So when simplify, the answer will be 2/3. So the next thing is how to operate with fractions. So under addition and subtraction, we use common denominator. For example, we have 2/3 plus 1/4. So the denominator, we are in the first fraction we have 3, and the other one we have 4. So to find the common denominator, we are supposed to find the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. So 12 divided by 3 you get 4. 4 times 2, which is equals to 8. So the first fraction will be 8/12. Then 12 again you divide by 4. You get 3. 3 times 1, you get 3. So the other fraction will be 3 divided by 12. So because now we have a common denominator, we can add the numerators. So we add 8 plus 3, which is 11. So our answer will be 11/12. Under multiplication, we multiply, top times top, then bottom times bottom. Example, we have 2 over 3 times 3 over 4, which is equals to, so we multiply the first times 3, which is equals to 6, then 3 times 4, which is equals to 12. So the value we can simplify by 6 1 by 6 2, so we get half. And on division we multiply the reciprocal. So the second number we write this as a reciprocal. That as, if it is half, we write it as 2 over 1. So for example, 3 times 4, the second number is half, so it will be 3 times 4 times 2 over 1. Then we multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers, which is equals to 3 times 2, which is 6, and 4 times 1, which is 4. So the answer is equals to 6 over 4. Or under improper fraction, when you define 6 by 4, you get 1 and 1 over 2. Then in real life example, number 1, we have Mary baked a cake. She ate a quarter and gave her friend a quarter. How much is left? So a cake is a whole, so you minus a quarter that she ate and that the other one that she gave to her friend. So a quarter plus a quarter is half. So the whole cake, which is 1 minus half, you get that that Mary was left with half of the cake. Then the other example is a 2-liter bottle of juice is shared equally among 4 friends. Each gets half a liter. Yes, because when you divide in the 2 liters by 4, you will get 4 halves. So each friend gets half of the juice. So the practice example, you will do them and give your answer in the comment section. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share. I will be going through the comment section, marking your answers. Thank you.